Oh, I'm gonna shred it in this thing. Are you okay with that?
Oh yeah,
Do you
absolutely.
have like a life insurance policy?
I don't. Can we stop before you start? Stop. Go.
Hi, I'm David Rodriguez, owner of the international fine dining food truck and melted craft grilled cheese. We are here at Papavro to pick up Chef Francesco Mangano. We're gonna take him to cook for Charles and Rich. Something cool today, it's Charles' birthday, so we're gonna do a little something special there. Also, they finally gave me a manual transmission. Oh, I can't wait. Francesco.
Hey David, how's it going?
It's going great, man. How are you?
Good, very good.
Welcome to Car to Table.
Wonderful. Thank you for having me.
It's great to have you. I know Charles and Rich are waiting for us. I know they're hungry. But before we leave, what are you bringing?
Well, I hope they're not vegetarians because I'm bringing chorizo today. So.
Oh, perfect. I hope they are because I want to eat it all.
Right.
All right, man. Well, the mini's waiting for us. Let's get out of here.
Wonderful. Oh, it goes.
It's got a little dip to it. I won't kill us, I promise.
Yeah, I have 3 children, so you know.
3 kids?
3 kids. How many do you have?
I have 2 kids.
Okay. Well, we wanted to have 2 kids, and then the second, the third came with the second.
Life after kids is totally different, man.
Yep.
Totally different.
Yep.
And you always long for that, like, life of your past.
The thing is, I think it's hard to accomplish things and having that kind of wildlife, even if you're in especially if you're in a restaurant business, I think.
I mean, you've been cooking forever, but how did you get started?
I got started with watching my aunt and grandma cooking, and eventually you get pulled in because they don't feel like doing all the work themselves. You know, it's just the typical, almost stereotypical story about pasta making, and you're watching your grandma and your aunt, and she starts saying, "Hey, come here, help out." So Christmas, Easter, when you really get together and do those 3-4 hour long meals that are, again, this sounds stereotypical, but they're not. That's you really sit down and chat and have one dish after another after another after another. Decided when I met my soon-to-be wife that I was going to move here, and in America it's too long. Got to be a journalist, and I looked into the School of Journalism here in Madison. It was too many years, and then practicing. And so I said, screw it. I love cooking. I started going to school, and I went back to Italy, went to more schooling there for cooking, and a master degree, and it's something has to do with cooking as well.
Do you do a good bit of traveling?
I do a lot of traveling. I mean, I try, like I said, I have a vacation house still in Italy, so I try to go back at least once a year.
Okay.
Comfortably with the restaurant and having to run that. Traveling, I think, is one of the best inspiring things that there is about cooking.
When I travel, I get so inspired to come home and get in the kitchen. Yeah. So.
And every time, it doesn't mean that you have to cook what you ate when you were in whatever country, but it does open your brain a little bit, open your mind, and make you think, oh, maybe that dish I had made that time needed salt or acid or heat, or maybe I can tweak it a little bit.
Or even if it's just like one ingredient.
Yeah, one ingredient sometimes, yeah.
I'm going to go home and play with that, yeah.
Wow, you're really going with this guy. David decided he's going to kill me today.
I promise not to kill you.
Yeah,
that was a promise. So far, I've not been in any accidents. So,
I've done a couple of bad ones when I was in my 20s in Italy. People drive a lot more crazier than they do here. Hey, just like that. There you go. So.
They gave me a manual. What am I supposed to do? Right?
Well, yeah. Should we call the family and tell them we're not going to be there?
We're just leaving. We're taking a road trip. Is Papavro the life plan, man? Is that take that
I think
to
so.
Retirement?
I think so. I mean, I have so many people asking me to do things, even other chefs downtown, thinking about, hey, we should open this, do this great idea. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and sometimes it's a really good idea. It's just the problem is the idea of trusting 101% another person to run our place that I own. It's really hard for me to think about that. I don't think I'm that courageous or brave. So I think I might stick to Papavro. I still enjoy it. We've been there 12 and a half years. I do enjoy what I do.
I love it.
I like to come back to work I know it sounds weird every day,
Yeah.
but I like what I do.
But I'm gonna go ahead and have you go through
Sure.
our bag of goodies.
Yeah. Let's see what we got today. Oh, fennel. That's pretty Italian. Very good.
Yeah, I thought you'd like that.
Garlic. Yeah.
I can't like risk there not being any garlic. So.
Garlic, and this looks like clementine or mandarin, something like that. There's a big,
You know what? That's a mandarin.
mandarin. Okay, it looks big or a clementine. And then
Yeah.
star fruit, indigenous of Italy. Not really. Not so much. Okay, I can work with blue cheese, buttermilk blue. This is good. Actually, we had the same from Rot at the restaurant, so.
Perfect.
Yeah, we can work blue cheese. I don't know about blue cheese and fennel, but we're gonna figure out something. And now we're gonna see what the mystery meat or fish is here. Oh, prime tenderloin. Well, this is easy.
So do you do a little like collaboration with other chefs in Madison?
Yeah, we do. I mean, you know, there's the Chef Week in March. We started 2 years ago.
Yep.
So last March we did a collaboration with Dave Oliver. We did a Chinese Italian dim sum, which I'm hoping to do again in March. That was a lot of fun.
Nice.
Those are two cuisines I think integrate very well. There's a lot of fresh produce, you know, dumplings, ravioli, even similar. There's a lot of stuff that blends fantastically well. We might do something with the Sardine Boys, Gates and Brovi. Yeah, I love to do things to other people. I like when I can blend things. Like with Dave, it was nice because we could really make a fusion. Like, you know, for example, a dumpling looks like a dumpling but it's the Italian filling.
Hey, you've made it to the end of part 1. Now we're gonna go throw a birthday party, so stay tuned for part 2.